Welcome to SH English Conversation, where real stories meet real lessons. Here, we dive deep into conversations that matter about success, struggle, purpose, and the journey in between. Whether you're chasing a dream, rebuilding after a setback, or just looking for a spark of inspiration, you're in the right place. So let's start the conversation. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It really motivates me to keep creating and sharing more with you.
Ravi, I keep feeling unmoored, man. Feeds are flooded with people buying cars, jetting off to Bali, bragging about promotions. And I'm here squinting at my next move like it's written in fog.
You're seeing the curated montage, not the director's cut. Most folks only upload the glitter, not the grind.
Still, why does it look like some people were born with a silver jetpack?
No jetpacks. They built small, sturdy rituals early, and those routines snowball over years.
So you're saying talent isn't the main variable?
It matters, but it's hardly sovereign. Discipline outperforms giftedness when giftedness loafs. Swap doom scrolling for 20 pages, carve out an hour for practice, show up when it's dull. That's how you accrue invisible leverage.
Invisible leverage, nice ring to it.
Think of priming an old water pump. At first, every crank feels useless. Keep at it, though, and suddenly the flow's effortless. Habits do that.
I've launched side hustles, dabbled in code, even tried YouTube, always stall halfway. Feels like I'm just burning daylight.
Stalls are part of liftoff. Failure isn't the counterpoint to success. It's the apprenticeship. Each misstep is data. The only people who never bungle anything are the ones permanently parked.
Hard to believe I'm not just wasting time.
Call it tuition to the universe. You're buying lessons no classroom can invoice.
My kryptonite is distraction. One ping, and suddenly I'm knee-deep in reels.
That's by design. These apps run on casino logic. Bright, noisy, engineered to hijack attention. Winners aren't necessarily sharper. They're guardians of their focus.
Do I nuke all my accounts?
Not necessary. Put your usage on a leash. Time box it. 2 hours of deep work earns you 25 minutes of guilt-free scrolling. Train your brain to pair discipline with dopamine.
It still feels like I never have enough hours.
The clock is egalitarian. Everyone gets 24. The dividing line is allocation. You either invest hours into skills and wisdom or fritter them on sugar highs.
So each hour is $1?
More like a seed. Spend it, it's gone. Plant it, it compounds. Health, craft, opportunities that pay future you.
Suppose I'm ready to pivot. Where do I begin?
Start microscopic. Adopt one keystone habit so small it's laughable. 10 quiet pages, a 15-minute walk, a daily practice rep. Make it automatic, then stack the next.
So steady beats ferocious?
Every time, anyone can sprint for a week. The rare few jog for a year, and they lap everyone.
And if I never get big like the internet darlings?
Then you win differently. Redefine the scoreboard. Vitality, calm, honest friendships, useful work, autonomy. Borrowed dreams breed misery. Choose your own metric.
So I quit comparing and architect my lane.
Exactly. When you stop tallying other people's laps, you finally notice your own progress.
Wildly, I feel lighter. Maybe I don't need a grand blueprint today.
You don't. Life's not a sprint. It's a long, uneven trek. Guard your attention. Build rituals, mine your mistakes for insight, and chase a definition of success that fits your soul. Keep at it, and future, you will nod in gratitude.
For once, I want to act instead of fantasize.
Good. Motivation is a spark, discipline is the engine. Start with one tiny, repeatable win today. Let the compounding quietly take it from there. Key lessons in this video. Habits, talent, failure equals feedback, not defeat. Control your focus. Avoid distraction traps. Time is an investment, not to be wasted. Consistency beats short-term intensity. Define success for yourself.
Thanks for watching. If something here made you think or feel inspired, please subscribe and like. This channel is all about English learning with daily life conversations and also focus on growing and having real conversations that matter. Real talk, real lessons. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's grow your English and also your personality. Practice today, fluent tomorrow.